Guys, before I start the video, don't forget to make a comment down in the comment section below to have a chance to win the Best Sentiments stamp. It's a stamp on the right side. And also go back to the other videos that I've already uploaded and comment on those, guys, so you get the chance to win a Best Sentiments stamp. I'm going to draw one for each of those videos for lucky commenter in each of one of those videos. Okay, guys, let's watch the tutorial. Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and we're continuing on our Christmas cards that I'm going to create to give out for the Christmas season. And I have here a Tim Holtz, and this is an old die set from Tim Holtz, and this is his Christmas set, and they're all scripted dies. So there it is. I've already taken out Merry Christmas right here, and I'm going to use this with a black cardstock to create the sentiment for this card. We have here an Altenew Poinsettia die set. This is a 3D die set, and I'm going to cut this using mercury glass. This is a die cuts with a view, printed cardstock, and it's foiled. And I'm going to create a 5x7 card using this paper. So you guys, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna cut the dice and so we can start creating. Okay guys, we're able to cut all our elements here, and I have the card base here, the card front, and then the poinsettias. So I'm not sure if you can see the ribbing here from the die, but it's there. So let me go ahead and put this on the side, and let's start with the small one and putting it together. Let's start with the center here because they're so small and intricate. I want to make sure that I get them down. So I got 5 of them, and I'm going to go ahead and layer them up one by one. So let's start with this one here. So this is 5 layers. I normally don't like my cards to be lumpy bumpy, but in this case, I'm not gonna mail this out, and I'm just gonna give them at work to my friends. So I don't mind lumpy bumpy. Then, I don't know if you can see them. I'm gonna put this on this side. I'm going to layer, I cut 4 Merry Christmas. So I'm gonna layer them and just put adhesive here. And I will be right back after I layer these cards. Okay guys, I was able to layer Merry Christmas over here. We have the center over there. Let's put them all together here. And what I'm going to do next is layer this. And what I'm going to do is the first layer would be this 2. And I'm going to let them just be a single layer. I have put out my foam, and this is a 1/8 inch foam adhesive. So I'm going to use that to layer our poinsettias. I don't know if you have seen poinsettia plants, guys, but I grew up with our neighbor had a poinsettia plant, and the poinsettias, actually, they grow, if this is the stem, they don't grow as a one whole flower, but they come, as this came, one set of leaves here, or flower petals, if you will, and the second set has normally a space of 1/4 inch to 1 inch, and then the second, and then the third, and then until you get to the stamens. So that's what we're going to try to replicate here. I am not going to do it in the first 2, but I'm going to do it for this one here. And what I'm planning to do is put some foam adhesives at the back of this petals. And then position this as such. I want to position it there. And then we have the tiny small one. We have the baby one. And I'm gonna have to put it and layer it here on the very top. Let's put this last one here and let's see how, thinking maybe this would be best right there. Okay, and then finally we get our center here, or our stamen. And like I showed you earlier, this has 5 layers. And let's put this in the very middle, if it will let me. There you go, how cute! I'm so excited about this. Okay, let's see how we're going to position it on our card front. And I cut this card front into a 5x7. So I'm thinking of doing it this way. And then Merry Christmas right there. Oh my gosh, you guys. Doesn't that look easy? I mean, the hardest part was to cut the dies and put it together, but really that's not hard. I mean, that's easy. So what I'm going to do next is just go ahead and glue this down, putting it like so. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and it looks so elegant, right? So let me get my 11th finger here and put our Mary down. Try to center it. And then put on our Christmas. Okay guys, and center this. Oh my gosh, I am loving how, I love how it is so simple and yet so elegant. Okay, and then we're going to put it on our card front here, or on our card base here. Oh my gosh, guys. Easy, huh? Very easy. How easy is this card, guys? And it is so stinking elegant. Here's our card, guys. Merry Christmas. Isn't this the sweetest card ever? It is so simple. It is so elegant. The red and the gold just screams Christmas. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this very simple card. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. We're trying to grow our My Scrappiness family. There's a few more Christmas cards that I plan to create with you guys, so keep an eye out for those for the month of November. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. To My Scrappiness family, thank you ever so much for your support. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.